I'm Erika Canaia, CEO for FIMIC, an Italian company dedicated in producing machinery for plastic recycling. When I started 12 years ago my adventure in FIMIC, sustainability was not a topic that for consumers were very important. Now, finally, this is a topic that everybody is speaking on it, and we are going all together through this topic, and we want to improve the environment and the sustainability in general. FIMIC is part of JA because for me it's a responsibility to find out a way to improve the instruction for the students in general, and JA is part of this project to improve our school and our instruction. So be a dream coach this year for me was more important than probably all the students that were with me in this adventure. So in 200 schools, 200 teams, my team is here in Milano. There are 20 classes, 20 master classes that find out a way to be here, and I'm so proud of them. Thanks to be part of FIMIC at all.